It's a hair tutorial. That's why I'm looking like a boiled egg right now. Now it's like 5 minutes later and I think it's a little bit tacky now. Tacky like our haters. Damn, shawty looking like mixed with Indian or something. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a tutorial on this hair. I can't keep touching right now. And how to get the snatched hairline for like this hair, guys. I just want someone to call me so that I can just, you know, just swing. Nobody can tell me one single thing. Yeah, so this hair is 20 inches of Malaysian straight hair and it's from Myfirstwig, my favorite wig company, and as you can see it's just so stunning. Like, it just moves with the wind and I feel like it's that 2018 hair. If you want to know more about it, then check the description box, there's a direct link. This hair comes pre-plucked. It's a full lace wig. You ain't got to do too much with it and it's just a dream. Literally, it's just it's just a dream. If you want to know how I got my hair bleached, my hair snatched, you know, then keep on watching. I'm sure you'll learn something, a thing or two, so keep on watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah. It's a hair tutorial. That's why I'm looking like a boiled egg right now. So I got a special delivery from Myfirstwig. When I get this box in my mail, my mood just glows up, you know, because Myfirstwig is like my favorite wig company. Other than RPG Show, but RPG Show happens to be their sister line. They're just doing bits in general. As you know, Myfirstwig is like a beginner wig company and it comes with everything that you need to slay a wig. So it came with this wig cap, which I've added some brown makeup on. Added some foundation on my makeup brush and then I dabbed it on to make like a skin-like complexion. So under the wig it will look like it's your scalp, not some ashy looking ass scalp, you know. We need a nice brown scalp, okay? Obviously the wig comes in a package like this, and when you take it straight out of the packet, this is what the wig looks like. Super silky, super fleeky. Look at the movement! Literally shivering, like quaking. And also the hairline comes pre-plucked. Look at that. It's a 360 lace wig, so that means the whole wig is lace, so it's really versatile. So as you can see, it's already pre-plucked, so amazing. So I'm just gonna brush this out and then I'm gonna use my special Fenty Beauty foundation to add some brown along the lace, because if you don't have time to bleach it, this is a really good alternative. So just dab it on your brush and then dab it on the lace, like all over the front of the lace. This will give the illusion as if you've bleached your knots, you know, and it will also match with your skin tone. It literally looks like someone's scalp is under there, you know. Brush that out and then I'm gonna cut the lace. Then I'm gonna cut the perimeter of the excess lace. Pretty much perfect. Like, it literally does all the work for you. If you're lazy like me, this is perfect. My first wig from myfirstwigs.com is like, I'm still wearing it. I still wear it to this day and it's like a year, probably like nearly a year old now. So definitely high quality, and that's why I work with them so often. Like, I'm always happy to work with them because I know I can trust their quality and it's just, you know, it's a vibe. And also obviously it comes with lace at the back, so you can cut that off as well. This is perfect for if you want to tie your hair up. I've been really loving that style recently. It has lace at the back as well, so you won't look like, you know, you got a kitchen in the back. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to use these elastic band clips at the back and then put them together, so then it will fit my head a little bit nicer. Stretch them and then just clip them together. And then I'm going to put this on my head and then I'm going to pull it forward. And then I'm going to part it. And then I'm going to go into the toolkit that they give me, which also already includes some clips, a brush and some grips and an elastic band. Like, what more do you need to slay hair? So after you adjust it, just cut off any excess lace that doesn't fit your head. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just go behind the perimeter and then just pluck a little bit more because I want it to be extra sparse. Just roughly with my fingers, I'm just gonna pluck away random pieces. And then do the same on the other side. Then I'm using my Got2b gel to glue down this little baby. And the best thing about this is you ain't finna lose any edges because we have this cap to protect your edges. You just have to put glue on top of the cap rather than your actual hair line. Then I'm gonna use my spray because I'm extra. And then just go on top of that. And then I look super ratchet right now, but it's all for the culture. So just wait until it gets a bit tacky and then I shall be back. Now it's like 5 minutes later and I think it's a little bit tacky now. Tacky like our haters. We're gonna now glue down the lace. So just be careful with this because once that thing is stuck down, there's no going back. So just pull it up and then pull it forward to where you want it to be. And then slowly just place it on your head top. And then you know that it's tacky enough when it glues straight down. That's what we want. So, and then just go around and make sure it's all stuck or whatever. And then now you can brush back the hair. And then the baby hair should already be kind of laying down. Take these clips and clip it out the way for now. Damn, shawty looking like I'm mixed with Indian or something. Okay, so I'm gonna use my spray and then I'm just gonna spray along the perimeter again. Go ahead and lay down these wet baby hairs. I'm going to use my silk scarf and then lay that down. So thank you so much for watching that video, guys. Make sure you leave a like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Check out Myfirstwigs if you haven't already, if you want super affordable, stress-free hair. This is the hair for you. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.